Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing an update video on my cough. I'm in day 20 of having a really bad cough, or bad cough now. I've been like that most of today. But yeah, today I woke up at like 10 to 10 and I was on Google Maps on my phone whilst it was on charge. I got it off charge. But yeah, I got it off charge and went on Google Maps for a bit. About 15 minutes later, about 10:05, I put my phone back on charge when it still had 95%. I don't know why I did, because it still had 95% when I could have just powered it off. But yeah, still I put it on charge and I tried to fall back to sleep. But as my body clock woke me up and I went on my phone for 15 minutes, I couldn't fully get back to sleep. I just had to close my eyes like that and just rest my eyes for 55 minutes. As I got up at like 11 o'clock, had my meds, got dressed, cleaned my teeth, had my breakfast and all that stuff. So yeah, after having my breakfast, I played on this phone for ages. It was like from 11 o'clock, no, from 12 o'clock, 11:30 till 4 o'clock, or something like that, 4:30, whatever. No, 11:30 till 19 minutes past 4, I think. But yeah, lost all the battery on it. I managed my roast dinner today. I played Fortnite for half an hour as well. So yeah, next up, I was seeing Boise and Winnie when I was in here just about 2 hours after my roast dinner or something. I had like this bowl of stew with 2 rounds of bread. No, 1 round of bread, but I'm on about 2 halves of bread. I'm tired, guys. But yeah, ever since that, I had a shower earlier, and then I went to see the dogs again for a little bit, because I've got school tomorrow. So, yeah, for the past hour, I think I've been chilling out in my room, thinking about what to do. So, I'm either like, am I going to watch YouTube tonight and leave doing a video? No, I did watch YouTube, but I'm still doing this video. By the way, it's a bit confusing what I'm going to say, but I'm in day 20 of the cough. Basically, what happened was really weird. So yesterday, I was in a video saying I was in, I think, day 18 of the cough. But yesterday was the 24th of February. I did the video on the 23rd of February, because I've had the cough since the 5th of February, when it was day 18, by the 23rd of February, I think. But, yeah, yeah, it was day 18 then. So, what happened was, I originally did the video on the 23rd of February. I would have uploaded it, in fact, yeah, 1 hour about, I would have uploaded it that night, but by the time I'd finished it, I had to go to sleep before uploading it because it was my bedtime. But I said day 18 when the video was uploaded yesterday, when it was originally done on the night of the 23rd of February. But yeah, it was like originally done on the 23rd of February. But I uploaded it on the morning of the 24th of February. That's why I said like day 18, because I originally did the video expecting to upload it that night, but I couldn't because I had to go sleep. But yeah, that's why that happened. But when the video uploaded, when I uploaded the video, I mean the next day, technically I was in day 19. So if you guys like got confused about that, I'm sorry. I just had to go like sleep, so I'm clearing it up now and saying yesterday when I uploaded the video I was in day 19, but I uploaded the video from the day before in the morning of the 24th of February, so that currently means I'm in day 20 of having this cough, but I'm definitely not as ill as I was. So basically for the first like 4 days before I had a cough, or 5 days even, before I got this bad virus / cough, I basically lost my appetite for 5 days. I've only just got it back a week ago. I only got my appetite back a week ago, completely. But basically what's been happening is, what happened at the start was I lost my appetite for like ages. And it started with the appetite, then I had a cough. Basically, to sum the whole story up, I had a bad appetite for about 5 days, and then it continued, me having a bad appetite when I had the cough. And then on one of the Wednesdays, I forgot the date, but on one of the Wednesdays, the 7th of February, because it was after I had that, it was after the time I was awake till 3:30, coughing my guts up, and I didn't get much sleep. I went to school that day. My auntie had to come back from Leicester all the way to Loughborough to pick me up from school, and I had a temperature that day of 39.5, but since then I had that day off, Thursday off, and Friday. I'm doing a video. Okay. And Friday off. Sorry, that was me auntie. And basically what happened was, it was them days, so I didn't go back. I could have done, but it would have not been worked out well. I had the whole weekend off. I had to have another few days off my granny and grandpa's and going to my respite carers. And basically, what else happened was, on Monday, I couldn't go to school. On Tuesday, I couldn't, because I was ill. But on Wednesday, I was like arrogant that I was better, and a little bit better than I was, and I thought I was well enough. I was coughing my guts up all day. I couldn't do yoga. I needed my inhaler. I couldn't run around. I had a bad appetite, and I got basically sent back from school. My teacher rang me auntie up yet again, saying, "Oh, Evan's not feeling too good. He's not done much all day, not took part in yoga. He can't like run about. He needed his inhaler. So yeah, I had that day off. And I had to have the Thursday and the Friday off as well. And after that week, it was half term. I've I've had this, oh God, this cough has been here for ages now. It's actually taken the mick. It's really annoying as well. Yeah, I've had this cough for ages now. It's just really annoying. I've had it for nearly a month now. Because it's like, if you guys haven't heard of it, I've only just heard of it a few days ago. Well, the apparent 30-day cough and cold, where you feel really bad, feel like laying in bed, doing stuff like that, laying in bed, just chilling out. You just like it for like 30 days, because my auntie like told me about, because my auntie, if you didn't know, got it. She felt like every time she coughed, she was going to be sick. She was gagging each time she coughed. Sometimes. I don't think she had a temperature, but I think she was gagging a lot. Feeling when she coughed, she was going to cough her lungs out. Just having to lay down, and it just stopped her from doing a load of stuff for 2 weeks. But I've caught some bad side of it, and it's only just gone. Every time I coughed, that's if I'm coughing for about 2 minutes straight without stopping. One time I needed a sick bowl in my room. I was coughing that bad that not every time, but when I coughed for like 2 minutes, apparently when I did it, there was one time where I was doing it, where I was coughing so bad, I actually ended up throwing up from coughing, because a load of like vomit came out of me. But yeah, I won't go into any more detail because it was just disgusting. I just felt sick all the time. I think here's the last bit of information I can say. I think I filled a quarter of the bucket with vomit in one night. But yeah, I needed it for 2 nights and then I was fine. But yeah, it's just making me feel, it just makes me feel tingly going on about it, so I'll stop. But yeah, that's how my cough's been. It's just been like a history of how my cough's been. Potentially 10 days to go, potentially. But I swear to God, if this cold lasts, no, not even cold, if this virus infection / bug lasts longer than a month, I'm gonna go mental. It's so annoying. It's just, I hate coughing. I'm just used to like running about. I've been cursed. No, this year I literally cursed me. Near the start of this year, on the 17th of January, I sprained and twisted, bruised and swollen my ankle. Just 12 days after that, on the 29th of January, I basically I think not twisted, I think I did something to me my left shin. I've done videos on both of them topics. The next month, I thought, I might be a bit safe after that. I thought the rest of the year would go fine. Well, no. On the 1st of February to the 5th, it started in February, by the way, I was like, oh great, I'm losing my appetite. One of the things my auntie got was losing her appetite, which brought her to all of this cold. And I'm like, I do not want this cold. It stopped my auntie doing most stuff. She had to go work with it. It's just, she had to lay down a lot. She had to get stuff brought up to her. And I'm like, oh God, no, I'm not getting this, am I? Well, then we're like, wow, I'm getting it all right then. So February's been a bad month for me, because I've got this, losing my appetite for 5 days. And, well, not 5 days, even longer. But, yeah. Having a really bad cough every time. Well, not every time. When I cough like over a minute, I feel sick. I ended up needing a sick ball in my room for like 2 days. I had a night where I was awake on a school night till 3:30 in the morning, because I was coughing my guts up so bad. And I couldn't get any sleep. I was awake all night, unless I got some form of sleep from 3:30 onwards, which I don't remember if I did, but it weren't good. That day I went to school absolutely exhausted, tired, shattered, whatever. And I had to get sent home from school because my temperature if you don't know already, the normal temperature is 36.5 to 37. I had a temperature not just 38, 39.5. And then half an hour later I checked it again, 39.5 still. I'm like, great, I'm definitely going to get sent home from school, and my auntie's going to have to pick me up. Yes, she did have to, and I missed out from going to my granny and grandpa's because I was that ill. There were 2 days that I missed going to my granny and grandpa's. There was one time I missed going to my respite carers, 7 days off school, feeling sick, losing my appetite. Oh, so yeah, this year has gone bad for me so far. But I just hope from now to March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, I hope from now I'll get a good year, because I'm just sick of being cursed. I'm sick of the year going really bad for me, because I've basically topped everything that's gone on. When I sprained my ankle, if you don't remember, I couldn't put trousers on properly, I couldn't put my socks on properly, I couldn't walk properly, and when I still had a limp from my broken knee from 5 years ago, 5 years ago, so I ended up limping on both legs, because I did something to my shin. That's gone, that was gone ages ago, last month, and we're already 25 days into this month. But I felt like I was going to fall just playing basketball. I couldn't walk properly. I could walk, but I was limping. But now I'm not limping on the left leg. It's just the right leg a tiny bit because of my knee. I don't know how I'm still limping after 5 years, but yeah, this year's just been bad so far. This year I've got 10 months to improve myself. But it's either 10 months of a good year, 10 months of a bad year, or 10 months of a mystery, or 10 months of a weird year. But yes, guys, this year's gone pretty bad so far. 2 months of pain, 2 months of stupidness, 2 months of just annoying stuff. Doing something to my shin just 12 days after an ankle injury, an ankle sprain where I could barely walk, where it hurt me to put my socks on, hurt me to do most stuff, hurt me to get on the floor and try to get up again. But yes, guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you're new, turn on post notifications, and yes, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.